Hello, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tutorials by Nitin. Hope you all are doing well. So in today's tutorial we will learn that how you can remove the background from the complicated subjects. Like I am choosing this tree image to remove the background in a simplest way. So without wasting much time, let's jump into the tutorial. Here is our main background layer. Now first we have to open the channels. Go to window and check the channels. Here are the channels: RGB, red, green, blue. We have to select only blue and duplicate the blue channel layer. For duplicate, just drag the blue duplicate layer to this plus icon. See, here is our blue copy layer. Now press Ctrl L to change the levels. Just increase the white and also increase the blacks. Hit OK. Now you can see here is a one icon of selection. I can show you with a zoom button. This icon load channel as selection. Click on this. This will automatically select your all blacks and white. Now go to layers, select your main layer and go to select and mask. Now here is you can select and mask. Just hit the OK button. We have to remove the lock icon first by clicking lock icon. Now just click on the mask icon. Here we have created the mask. Now we have to invert this mask by pressing Ctrl I to invert the mask. Next I am creating the solid background color. And drag down for the main layer. Now you can see background is removed successfully. Also you can select the mask and remove the unnecessary area using brush tool. Pick the brush tool and remove the unnecessary areas. You can also redo this step by pressing X and like this. Now again pressing X. Now this is the final output. This is before and this is after. You can select hairs like this technique, using this technique, using channels and levels. Hope you will enjoy the today's tutorial. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and share this video to your friends.